Spreadsheets are where most knowledge work quietly lives, and AI chatbots have become surprisingly capable at handling them. For pure formula generation, ChatGPT and Claude tend to lead, translating plain English requests like "sum these by month" into clean Excel or Google Sheets syntax with reliable accuracy. Microsoft Copilot has a structural advantage inside Excel itself, since it can read live cell ranges, apply changes directly, and reference workbook context without copy-paste. Gemini integrates similarly with Google Sheets, though its formula precision still trails. For larger jobs like cleaning messy data, deduplicating entries, or restructuring tables, Claude often produces the most thoughtful step-by-step approach, while ChatGPT with its code interpreter can actually run Python against an uploaded file and return a finished sheet. The honest answer depends on where the spreadsheet lives. Inside Microsoft 365, Copilot wins on convenience. For raw reasoning about data, Claude and